This is the abron rotary microtome for histopathology with 1 micron accuracy. First of all, it comes with the packing. This is the packing. You have to remove it, move this, bring it to the front, take it out, remove this part, one more packing, and then you can place this. For moving it, there is a lever here. You can unlock it and lock it. Then there is another lock here. This one wheel is there. You have to pull it out. I have written as pull out. Then you can only move. If you have kept it here, you can stop it. There is one lock to stop this wheel or lose it. It moves. You keep it here, then it does not move. It stops. This is another lever. There one more lever is there to bring it to the front. You have to move it. When you move this, this wheel moves in the front. This is moving forward. Just see, this is moving forward. Distance is going down. You can move back, forward. This one wheel is there. Some accessories are there: brushes, cassettes, stainless steel, small, medium, large. This one is a ring for making a block. You keep your sample inside and keep it and pour the block. Wax 3 are there. Disposable blades are there. See another video. There are tools to open it. Cover is there, and there this is one is a block. Full unit is a holder for block. Check other video how to use it. First of all, there is another tray is also there. Take out the tray from the box and keep it here below up to this point, so that any sample which gives out, you can take out sample here also. You can collect the sample with the brush. Now see another video of abron, and just visit the website abron01@gmail.com and send us your video or comments. Subscribe to our channel. Buy from abronexports.com. Thank you very much.